Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the language on Telegram. Whether you've just downloaded the app or you're helping someone who speaks another language, this quick guide will make it super simple for you to follow along. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or tablet. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS, the steps are almost identical. Once you're inside, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice three small horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap that. A side menu will slide open, showing several options like New Group, Contacts, Calls, and more. From that list, select Settings. That's where all your main app preferences live. Now that you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option that says Language. Tap on it. This section lets you browse through a wide selection of languages that Telegram supports. You'll see everything from English and Spanish to Arabic, French, Chinese, and many others. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the language you want to use for the app. When you tap on your preferred language, Telegram will immediately update the entire interface from menus to chat labels to display your selected language. There's no need to restart the app or log out. If you ever want to switch back, you can repeat the same steps and pick a different option. Telegram saves your preference automatically, so once you set it, you're good to go. And that's it. You've just learned how to change the language on Telegram in under a minute. It's a simple tweak, but it can make your messaging experience much more comfortable, especially if you're communicating across cultures or want your interface to feel more familiar. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.